Philips Body Groomer. So this is the Philips Body Groomer that we're going to be reviewing today. This is what the box looks like. Philips Body Groomer Series 3000. Let's open up the box. Take it out. There's nothing else in the box. That's your instruction manual. Another instruction manual. It's available in multiple languages. That's your warranty booklet. That's your charger. It's a normal 2-pin charger. That's a Philips charger. 2-pin. It has a normal AC/DC fitting at the end. So this is the head that fits onto the trimmer. As you can see, it has a foil blade with the serrated edges. That's a comb, an attachment to adjust the level of hair that you want. So this is the Philips 3000 body groomer, guys. It has a good weight to it. It has your wattages and voltages at the back. That's where the charger goes in. It has a good feel to it. That's where you fit in your head. As you can see, the light is flashing because it needs to be charged for 6 to 8 hours. That's your button there where you switch on and off the trimmer. It feels very powerful. It has a good weight to it. So this is the blade. This is the back of the blade. As you can see, the foiled head, the 2 trimming edges. It just slots in onto the trimmer. Not much pressure, you just slot it in. So that's what it sounds like. It has a good weight and feel to it. Feels powerful. It's a nice close shave. So the serrated edges on both sides, the blades, they trim your hair, and the foil gives it that close shave. So you're down to bare minimum or no hair at all. So that's what the attachment on is, probably like a number 1 or 1.5. You can use that to groom your hair to your desired length. That's the corner there where you just pop off the head if you want to wash it or rinse it. The machine is waterproof. Your charger just slides in there at the back. And remember, guys, 6 to 8 hours charging. This is a very good machine. Powerful.